Good morning, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rofi Darmayanti and I'm from Universitas Islam Berumbangan. In this day, I want to presentation about my paper. The title is Impact of Environmental Performance, Form Characteristic, and Media Exposure on Carbon Emission Disclosure in Indonesia. Okay. This is my introduction about my article, The Global Green Challenge. Why I am interested in my article? Because the human activity drive emission. This is intensifying global warming. And then global CO2 emission reached 38.8 billion ton in 2022. So, in Statement Paris Agreement 2015, they said to limit global temperature rise to 200 Celsius. So, the Indonesian climate action got most populous top 10 carbon emitter. Study object to examine key influencer on carbon emission disclosure. Focus on Indonesian oil, gas, and coal subsector. And then the methodology for our study, the sample and criteria. 31 companies from oil, gas, coal subsector IGX period 2021 until 2023. And then this is the use purposive sampling use. Variable examine, that is the one environmental performance, that is ISO 40001, and form characteristic, that is size, leverage, profitability, and media exposure. Measurement performance, this is its XG emission control, fostering stewardship, and then international standard for EMS cover GHS emission control, promote sustainable practice. And the driving disclosure transparency, this is certified firm show higher transparency in carbon emission disclosure, building stakeholder trust via legitimacy theory. And then some view ISO 40001 as symbolic for image purging, lacking true impact, especially in weak regulatory environment. So the form characteristic and disclosure about my variable, the one is form size, leverage, and profitability. There is form size leading to higher carbon emission disclosure to uphold social legitimacy. And then leverage, this is enhance environmental transparency, building trust, and mitigation long-term risk. And then the last, profitability, that is a resource for sustainability initiative, so that attracts investors and the stakeholder, bolstering reputation and legitimacy. The rule of media exposure. We know examine media exposure, the impact corporate transparency in disclosure environmental practice. So the key impact of media exposure, the one, media is an external factor for transparency. Two, media exposure as public image and accountability. And three, motivation for implicit disclosure. And the key finding for our result, one, firm characteristic, large firm goods with higher leverage and greater profitability expect. So the increased carbon emission, exchange security, and resource availability. And then the two, about a certification ISO 15001. This is a carbon disclosure integrating environmental management and fostering stakeholder trust. And then the last finding, media exposure as the motivation companies to enhance transparency in carbon disclosure and protection public image and meeting stakeholder expectation. Novelty and contribution. My research for novelty and contribution, the first study in Indonesia, oil, gas, and coal subsector, use of research study within Indonesia critical oil, gas, and coal industry, marking a significant first in the region. The two international recognized and standardized metric for environmental performance ensure robust measurement. And then the last comprehensive examination of the factor. This is a factor influence carbon emission disclosure of practice. Conclusion and implication for our result. The one, summary of influencing factor. There is environmental performance, company size, leverage, profitability, and media exposure. And the recommendation for policy and practice for the regulator, development policy considering company characteristic, and for management, ASO protects and transparency in carbon reporting. And for media's rules, knowledge media as effective monitoring. And for financial benefit, as we align practice with financial performance. And then the future research direction for our result. That's one, expand scope to more industry. Two, expand period for long-term trend. Three, include new variable. Example, carbon risk, biodiversity, and from age. And the four, update crop size. Use GRI index for environmental performance. Okay, that's it. Our presentation about our article. So I have you are happy and healthy. And then for the question you can ask for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.